With FlowForma Copilot, creating a security incident management process has never been faster or more effortless. Simply provide a text prompt, upload a form or flow diagram, or even voice input, and watch as your process is instantly generated with ease and precision. Get ready to transform your processes in a fraction of the time. Processes consist of steps, questions, and rules, triggering automation at flow, step, or question levels based on events such as flow start, step progression, or question updates. Once you are satisfied with your security incident management process, press Build to bring it to life. Explore each section to fine-tune suggested questions and logic to meet your specific requirements. Click Add Rule to integrate automation, ensuring your workflow adapts dynamically to user input. Define triggers and corresponding actions, then click Save to apply your automation logic. After customizing your security incident management process with rules and automation, click Save to securely store all changes. Click Test Form to preview and validate automation before deployment. At the top, you'll see the security incident management process come to life in minutes with FlowForma Copilot. It's a game changer, saving you valuable time, supercharging efficiency, and giving you the power to effortlessly scale your process automation like never before.